Hello and welcome to the channel Gastronauts Kitchen. We are thrilled to present the variety of recipes gathered from around the world. Over 10 years of living and traveling on our catamaran, we have explored different regions and collected a whole arsenal of culinary masterpieces. If you appreciate diversity and fresh culinary ideas, you've come to the right place. Today we are exploring an art of making Tahdig, Persian rice. We begin by washing the rice. We wash it until the water runs clear. It may take anywhere from 3 to 6 times, and you have to be patient with that. When cooking basmati rice, it's best to also soak it in the cold water for about 30 minutes. It will allow you to absorb nutrients in rice much more efficiently, and the rice is going to be much fluffier and less sticky. It may be worthwhile to mention there are many ways of preparing tahdig, but this is the method that we came to after trying many different varieties of this dish. At the end of this video, we will give you a tip on how to further enhance the taste of your tahdig. You can choose to use non-stick pot as long as you have a good cover for it. Our pot has a thicker base that allows a better distribution of the heat. If yours doesn't have that, you need to adjust the cooking time accordingly. Add the rice to the boiling water. Add salt and allow to boil for 5 minutes. Now drain the rice and rinse it with cold water to stop cooking. In a small amount of water, put few pinches of saffron and let it sit. In a separate dish, mix 1 raw egg and 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt and a pinch of salt. Strain about 1 teaspoon of saffron water into the egg and yogurt and continue mixing it. Place enough rice into resulting mix to absorb it all. Mix it. Add ghee or butter to a heated pan, reducing the temperature to medium-low. Make sure the bottom is all covered. And place the mixture of egg, saffron and yogurt with rice into the pot. Spread it evenly over the bottom. Stir and spread evenly over the bottom again, because we want it all to be dry at the end, not soggy. And place the rest of the rice over the mix. Playtime. We need to build a small mound out of the rice. Make it a cone-shaped mound. And we take about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, spread it over the rice. With the help of chopstick, we make holes, about 7 of them, 1 in the center and the rest of them around. Put a towel or a double paper towel and cover over it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Lower the temperature to the low and cook for about 15 minutes. Then lower it to the lowest setting and cook for another 25 minutes. Place small amount of cooked rice into a separate dish. Add a couple of teaspoons of dried dill into the rice and mix it without stirring the rice on the bottom. That's important because we don't want to break the crust. Now into a separate dish, add the rest of the saffron into the rice. It's about a tablespoon and mix it. Return the rice into the pan and mix it without disturbing the crust. Empty the rice into the serving dish without disturbing the crust. With the help of the spoon or any other type of utensil, lift up the side of the crust, taking great care not to break it in the process. Flip it over bottom side up over the rice. It looks and smells delicious. To serve it, cut it up or break it up into pieces. And you can hear the crust, right? To reward you for the patience, we would like to share our tip now. When you're mixing egg and yogurt and saffron, add a dash of garlic powder. It's not very traditional, but we do enjoy it better that way. Thank you for cooking with us. You can support us by sharing, liking, and subscribing.